In this DOH demo, we will look at the configuration needed on the firewall, see how to generate DOH traffic, and look how to monitor the DOH-based threat logs. All major browsers support DOH. Most OSs like Windows, Mac, and Linux have support for DOH. Open source DNS servers like Bind, Outbound, and AD-DNS also support DOH on their DNS server. So there is a good chance that users on the network would have enabled DOH on their setup. So it is important to monitor DOH traffic and provide visibility into it. Let's look at the DOH configuration. The first step is to create a custom URL category with an allow list of acceptable DOH resolvers from your environment. You will need to identify and add all the host names associated with these DOH resolvers. In terms of policy, we first have to decrypt HTTPS traffic to understand the DNS payload within it, then create a decryption policy with the custom URL filtering profile. The next step is to create a DOH allow security policy. You will allow and apply DNS profile to all the traffic with app ID, DNS over HTTPS going to sanctioned DOH resolvers defined as part of the custom URL filtering profile. One thing to remember is that since DOH traffic is going over HTTPS, you will also need to create an explicit block all rule for all other DOH traffic. You will select applications as DNS over HTTPS and URL filtering category called encrypted DNS. This is a category that we added as part of the DOH workflow where we continuously monitor for the DOH resolvers and add that as part of our database. If you see any unknown DOH resolvers, we will add that. You can use that to improve your security posture. Let us generate some DOH traffic. We will go to the client machine and open a Chrome browser. In Chrome, by default, DOH is disabled. So we will go to the browser security setting and enable secure DNS. Choose DOH server URL from the drop-down list or add a custom URL. Here we are using the Quad 9 DOH server URL. That is all that is needed to generate encrypted DNS traffic. With this, the name resolution request will be encrypted. Let us test with some light traffic. Benign sites like CNN would be allowed through, but bad sites would be blocked. As DOH traffic goes through our firewall, we decrypt it, apply a DNS profile, inspect for any threat, and block it. Now let's check the threat logs on the next generation firewall. Here you can see malicious DOH traffic getting logged. You would see that traffic goes to the rule DOH approved that we created. There is a DNS threat ID, category, detection type listed. So basically, we display all the details of DOH traffic as we would do for regular DNS traffic. If you go through the detailed log, you can see the applications as DNS over HTTPS. This helps distinguish regular DNS traffic where the application would be DNS-based from DOH traffic. This concludes the demo.